Hi, I just wanted to share something interesting with you. This is something that happens a lot in lessons, is that sometimes people are kind of having a hard time getting an interval, which means two notes together or matching a note even. So I might go, sing with me. Ma, ya, ya. And they might have trouble doing that, like they're coming in a little low or a little high. And it seems like it's a big struggle, but one of the things that I may have noticed about them, and this just happens so often, and I just was working on this with a student. He was getting kind of wound up, like not being able to kind of get the note exactly. And then I said, now copy me. Hey. So he goes, hey. I go, hey, how you doing? He goes, hey, how you doing? I go, oh boy. He goes, oh boy. I'll say, you'll never guess what I just saw. He goes, well, you never guessed what I just, exact same note. And even if I'm, oh man, I can't even believe it, stuff like that. Like he'll match everything. And this happens all the time with students, that when we're kind of made for conversation, right? Human beings are made for conversation. And I would say human beings are also made for music. So, but with music, we have a lot of stuff going on in our head that kind of gets in our way. With conversation, we tend to be more uninhibited. And matching somebody else's tone, reading somebody's pitch within a conversational setting seems just to be so easy to people. So I can say to them, copy these words. They'll copy them, whatever it is I'm doing that sounds conversational. They'll get it right on. And then I can point out to them, hey, your pitch is good. You're getting all the notes that I'm saying. And then when we come back to, sometimes something is just sort of subconsciously working a little bit different inside their head, and it's much easier for them. So just wanted to let you know, maybe you can try that out.